AUSTRAC slaps Cointree with $48,000 fine for late SMRs. Who's next? Australia. Crypto exchanges. Crypto regulation. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 15, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. AUSTRAC penalizes Cointree $75,120 for missing SMR deadlines, hindering criminal fund tracing. Crypto exchanges must file SMRs within 3 days, or 24 hours for terrorism financing, or face fines. Australia's purge targets over 400 inactive platforms. In a statement released on May 16, Australia's Financial Intelligence Agency, AUSTRAC, has fined Melbourne-based crypto exchange Cointree $75,120 for submitting suspicious matter reports, SMRs, after the legal deadline. How delayed reports undermine criminal investigations. AUSTRAC said Cointree's late filings slowed police efforts to trace criminal funds. This penalty comes shortly after Cointree informed the regulator it had failed to meet reporting timeframes due to internal workflow gaps. According to AUSTRAC guidelines, exchanges must file an SMR within 3 business days when they suspect money laundering and within 24 hours for terrorism financing concerns. AUSTRAC Chief Executive Brendan Thomas welcomed the disclosure but stressed the importance of speedy filings. He stated that prompt reporting lets authorities respond swiftly and alert partners to suspected criminal activity, warning that uncooperative firms will face tougher penalties. AUSTRAC confirmed that Cointree cooperated fully and is now fixing its systems to avoid future delays. The exchange has settled the penalty. However, AUSTRAC noted that paying the fine does not mean Cointree admits fault. It does settle the case. Australia's crypto crackdown. From inactive exchanges to scam shutdowns. The penalty extends AUSTRAC's broader crackdown on digital asset platforms, which the government fully supports. Since the start of 2024, Australia's main regulator has taken formal action against 13 exchanges and sent warning letters to more than 50 others. The Financial Intelligence Agency has also identified 427 registered crypto exchanges that appear inactive and may cancel their registrations. To prevent consumers from falling for scams or deregistered companies, the regulator plans to introduce a public register listing legitimate platforms. In a related move, Australia's federal court approved ASIC's request on April 8 to shut down 95 companies tied to pig butchering crypto and romance scams. Justice Stewart cited false registrations and overwhelming evidence, as joint liquidators found that only 3 firms held assets and recommended deregistration for 92. Victims across 14 countries filed nearly 1,500 claims, reporting losses exceeding $35.8 million. ASIC says it continues to combat scams, shutting down around 130 fraudulent websites each week. So far, ASIC has closed more than 10,000 platforms to safeguard investors. Global regulators double down on preemptive crypto oversight. While regulators are keen on further developing the sector with clear rules, cases like AUSTRAC's action against Cointree show they won't hesitate to impose penalties when non-compliance is found. For example, KuCoin, operated by Pekin Global, agreed to a $297 million fine in the U.S. for operating without a money-transmitting license and having weak anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, controls. Regulators found that KuCoin failed to report suspicious activity on billions in transactions and only partially implemented KYC checks. Similarly, the UK's Crypto Asset Reporting Framework, CARF, set for 2027, will require firms to submit detailed user and transaction data to tax authorities. Late, incomplete, or inaccurate filings may result in steep fines. Non-compliant firms could be fined up to £300 per user. Together, these actions illustrate a worldwide trend that regulators demand rigorous, timely compliance from crypto businesses. Companies that neglect registration requirements, fail to flag suspicious activity, or delay reporting now face hefty fines and potential deregistration, emphasizing the industry's shift from reactive enforcement to proactive oversight. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Could crypto executives face criminal charges for late SMR filings, or just fines? While fines are the most common penalty, repeated or intentional delays in filing SMRs could result in criminal liability for executives under Australia's anti-money laundering laws. It all depends on the level of negligence or involvement by senior management. How will AUSTRAC's public license register impact crypto investor confidence? The register is expected to increase transparency by allowing investors to easily identify compliant exchanges. However, it may also expose inactive or non-compliant firms, pushing platforms to maintain strict standards or face loss of credibility and customer trust. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? May 10, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin News. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin News. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL as holdings soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? May 10, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.